will be running like and all my man are running from them holes on the roads like whoa, 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 like whoa. A month ago you didn't wanna know, but now I'm seeing though. These catties, they be calling off my phone, all these man, and they applaud me on the road. Up a corner for my bro, man, they keep on talking on the low. Man, they keep on talking on the low, but all my man are bros, and all my man are bros. My man, them have your man, them on the ropes. I'll have man, them on your road. Man, them in a battery on their own, with a battle with a pole. I've got man, them that will slap a man with both. Night jacket on my back, I'm looking cold. It's funny how these catties wanna know, but all my man are running to the money, will be running like and all my man are running from them holes on the roads like whoa, 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 like whoa. A month ago you didn't wanna know, but now I'm seeing though. These catties, they be calling off my phone, all these man, and they applaud me on the road.
Free smoke, anybody want it, they could get it, no joke. Call up landlord, nigga, that's bro. I only link with the real ones, Lord knows. On foe, I love to see a fake nigga go broke. I don't run to Twitter with the things I know. I fall back just to see how it unfolds. Yeah. Like whoa, 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 whoa. Like whoa. Years ago they didn't wanna know, but now I'm seeing dope. Catchies, they be calling up my phone, trying to get tickets to a show. Yeah. I got UK things on a WhatsApp now, like +44 on a code. Yeah, like whoa, 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 like whoa.
A month ago you didn't wanna know, but now I'm seeing though. These catties, they be calling off my phone, all these man, and they applaud me on the road. Up a corner for my bro, man, they keep on talking on the low. Man, they keep on talking on the low, low, low.
Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you in the Rari, let you ride it, now you're rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing, I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding, and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy. Rich nigga, shit, I bought my daddy, a new paddock, got a model, got a thicky, got a BM, got a stallion, got a $1 billion corporation, fuck us, Annie, I got millions to go get in a couple bitches to, yeah. You my dog till we dead, not a question, but I can't fuck with you like I want, got you ready, got $1 million in the wall, in the bed, and got it stepped on, got it hard, got it cracking on her. $500,000, I just did a warm up for $500,000. I can buy the building, I can rent this shit out and save it for the children. I can debt this shit out and give it to the villains, somewhere they can hide when they do some killing. All of the rides got grenade ceilings, loaded with a ride, cost a cool $1 million. Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you in the Rari, let you ride it, now you're rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing, I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding, and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy.
Paper tap, peanut butter seats, I'm riding. I be in the 4, I fuck with slime, we tied it. Different color deals on my feet, I couldn't decide with. Never talked about it, she done made us up my side, bitch. Trash bag gang, I can put that on the line. Street shows me, I ain't never had to sign up. They be hearing bitches in the group, I make them line up. Beat, 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 that's me, nigga, get back. Real dope boy, don't know how to work a cash out. How many you got? I send a loan, me to cash out. I been sipping lean by the P till I pass out. Went to sleep apartment, woke up in the paradise. Niggas still a drip, but it don't matter, they don't wear it right. They don't even speak, but I can see I got them terrified. Double R truck, come through, shit on everybody. Bad, bad bitch, good head, hit her every night.
Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you in the Rari, let you ride it, now you're rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing, I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding, and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy. Take the 4 doors off of the Jeep, I ain't doing no swaps with a freak. We can handle this shit out in the streets, yeah. I ain't going to a house for a minute. Pull up in the truck in the season. Niggas never coming out, then we leaving. Fucking bigger than the laws, and we leaving. I'm drowning, I'm drowning, I'm drowning, I'm drowning. Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, bitch, I'm drowning in water. I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show, I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch, I'm drowning. I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. Chain so heavy, I feel like I'm holding up a mountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show, I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch, I'm drowning. I'm with all my niggas, I don't go nowhere without them. If they don't let us in, they might throw shots at the bouncer. Activist medicine, got it straight from out the doctors. I'm with RJ, but I call him Wayne cause he's a shotter. Pick up the ladder, put it in the gun, make the non-stretch. Niggas with attitude, but we come straight out of Highbridge. I'm gon' make her panties wet when she see the way I flex. I'm gon' win a Grammy, move my family out the projects. We went from chillin' in the projects to making projects. We was trying to get to the top and they tried to stop us. I talk for myself, bitch, I don't need no fucking voucher. She looked at my wrist and she looked at 100,000. Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, bitch, I'm drowning in water. I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show, I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch, I'm drowning. I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. Chain so heavy, I feel like I'm holding up a mountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show, I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch, I'm drowning.
Just bought a brand new chain from Aviani. Nigga with attitude, but I ain't from Compton. Look cool that bitch, I'm polo down like Carton. Sniper gang, I put a nigga on the quad. I'm the shit, I'm farting. I don't know how to party. Pull up in a Rari, I'm in the yo like Gotti. Hey, boogie, I'm going Scotty. Nigga drop my deposit. I ain't Jamaican, bitch, I'm Haitian, but I got them shotters. Harley Davidson every day, I ride with the chopper. They hating, I know they don't wanna see a nigga prosper. I ain't doing trims, I'm in the cut like I'm a barber. She call me daddy, but I ain't her motherfucking father.
Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, bitch, I'm drowning in water. I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show, I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch, I'm drowning. I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. Chain so heavy, I feel like I'm holding up a mountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show, I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch, I'm drowning. Bitch, I'm drowning.
What's the deal, chat? How's everybody doing? What's the motherfucking deal? I'm glad you guys are here. Drop a like, subscribe. Almost 100 people on here. We got 25 likes, quarter of the way to 100. Let's get these likes up. Let's get YouTube algo working on it in our favor, and let's start recommending this to some more like-minded people. Let's grow the community. How was everybody's day? How's everybody doing? How was the morning? Got a nice W in the morning, right? Some of you held through it, didn't go break even. Some of you are risk takers, champagne drinkers. 13-hour day, but I'm on the charts. Nice. All right, Eddie. Beautiful. Did you make it to the gym today? I made it to the gym today. Detail the morning play. Yeah, I managed it. Nice job, nice job. Leg day. Yeah, it's honestly no. Today is International Chess Day. It's International Chess Day. Just wanna congratulate everybody. Do I play chess? Okay, here's the thing. I know how to play chess. I just don't play because I find it boring. But I know how to play. I mean, I've played like when I was younger. I used to play. I thought it was fun. Now I find it boring. Like I got other shit I can do. Rather be in the gym. All right, let's get into these breakdown. Let's see what's going on. Monthly, we are, no, this is the weekly. I'm sorry. We are bearish on the weekly, close below that resistance. I would expect this week to come up, make a top wick, and come back down. So, which means high probability if we might have a daily celery here with a closure below range here, I believe. Oh no, it's respecting this area right here a little. Yeah. Depending on how you look at it. If you look at it through here, through this level, it closed below and then respected. So with high probability, this candle makes a top wick and then comes down, but it will be ready for that if we see the range 2 breakout, right? Right now, we did close bullish at a small support. So let's see, 4 hours currently bullish, but the previous is still respecting the previous. We have another hour. We have another 50 minutes in this 4 hour. Turn this down in my headphones. Hear music too loud. Alright. If we get a bullish closure here on the 4 hour, it might be pretty solid to continue up here. Okay. Yo, who's singing this anthem? Oh, I got the Monday Night Football game on. Like, yo, I hear an anthem in my ear.
Instagram at A's, man. That's what they did to us, man. That's what we'll call this song, CIA.
Okay, chat. It's a very, very interesting situation because the way the daily closed bullish, but any day, any moment we can break the previous daily. So I'm trying to figure out where I'd want to have my daily sells. Yeah, I think that's what it's going to look like here. I'm going to have buys above here.
Showing me finesse, giving me the grind plan. I don't understand. Niggas snack DVD, I'm standing here inside the street. Right here, I'm Linden Bully, 30 niggas, 30 deep. Bitches standing with the sticks, bitches gritting on their teeth. Tell me what the fuck you want and you can sign the release. I got diamond on my neck, 20,000. Pay me my respect, pull it house on. Tell a nigga, yeah, you are not a threat. Fry a nigga, yeah, bustin' no regret. Nigga, chopper gone, acapella, rockin' roof for really. I might spend $250,000. Being broke is my Achilles, nigga. Motherfucking duty free liquor that I'm buying for some niggas that I only see inside a neon light. And I just hit the top 10, but I've been lit.
I'm trying to see if this
Vintage, I got the Rari outside and it's tinted. It's untinted.
if this sell right here, if this level right here can be considered a range 2 breakout, since we were a range 1 here, range 2, broke into range 2. I think if we get a closure somewhere below here, we might have sells actually. Yeah. Honestly, yeah, I'm sorry, this is going to be sells below here. At this moment, since we already had a range 2 breakout, it would be a fake out. Sells below here on a fake out. It's kind of a this is a more advanced position. I see the charts here. I don't think this is something people would recognize immediately. But either way, I'd want to see something. If we see this candle close like this right now, back in this range, we're gonna look for the next candle to come down and fill the range. Right, because we're gonna look for it to close something like this, and the next candle just drive through. Might not even be a huge top wick. As long as we close within this range on the break of the lows right here, I would take it. See, we had range 1 right here. We had range 2 right here during this bullish momentum. And we broke to range 2, range 3. This was the breakout right here. Then you come up, and then you have the fake out to come back down for this range 3 again. So that's how I look at it. Okay, but we come up above here. I know it's a bullish day. There's a high probability of a fake out, but I would expect the daily to start heading down, breaking the previous daily low here. The previous daily lows right here, actually. Okay, so that's our gold breakdown. Oh wait, I'm sorry, that's our GJ breakdown. What I think we were on gold. I'm bugging out. Yeah. So that's our GJ breakdown. Let's look at gold. Oh, gold would kind of close respecting this level as well, but still close bullish. But it closed kind of a doji bullish. We can kind of block this candle out. I think with a bottom wick, today's candle should continue driving up. 4 hour. All respecting. It was previous 4 hours bullish, but we've broken that. We're heading back down. We're bullish, correct, but we don't mind range 2 breakouts. Yeah, 1773. Who was asking about 1770 yesterday? That's funny. I think.
standing by me. I done fuck majority of the models off of IG. And I need some Percocets, yes, just like caffeine. I done took a fucking jet, I ain't with an ID. She ain't fuck you when she met you, Ty, she can't come around me. Proud of shoes, cause she proud of me.
This is what gold is gonna look like. We're gonna buy it above here. Foreclosure. It's a 4 hour looking like, geez, looking like it might drive. In case it doesn't, if this pulls back here and leaves a wick for us to come up, we might take advantage of this wick. How big is this range here? These candles look massive. Yeah, this is 20. It's 30. Okay, it's 50 pip range.
I got a 50 on me, but I told her I keep it 100. Since I was a little nigga, I just about to go give me some money. Since I made up 25 million on one of them days, now these niggas biting my way. I got fatigue on my body, on ride Maserati, it's right, I'm going out of space. I remember days, going on missions, hopping them fences, running from Jake. I got bulletproofs on all the Cadillacs and niggas slide through like I'm Obama. Now going to St. Laurent store, Louis Vuitton, Don, I'm a fucker so come. I was in the back eating jambalaya, how about the P, they straight in my pajamas.
Okay, we might have some buys here in 8 minutes if gold pulls back here. I wouldn't mind also repeating what happened here on gold before on the 30. Okay, look, we closed bullish with a nice wick. Next candle just drove up, filled the range. So we get a nice, you know, we pull back a little here, bottom wick, and then going to the top of the range. That's what I will look for. The goal with the 4 hour driving pretty heavily bullish. Now, if we can get 30-40 pips, as long as it can pull back somewhere here, like it did previously at this level, it'll be very interesting. But that's going to be in about 7 minutes here, 6.5 minutes. Until then, just chill. Go, eyes above, onion or fake out. Alright, so that's what we're looking at right now.
If you keep it real, say
Oh, chat. I forgot you guys are here. What it do? Do you have to be very precise with location of our SNR, just the best you can? No, you should be pretty precise. The closures are important. Sometimes you could close right at a support or a little bit past it. It's key you mark it correctly. So are the time frames changing as well, or same time frames? Yeah, I go top down. Correct?
Since you wanna be stunting like a big shot. This that pretty little joint from the south side. Fuck a quarantine, all my niggas outside. If I'm sitting on your face, keep your mouth wide. Nigga go hard, but be gentle with my chow chow.
Can't be buying all the bottles, what you can't do. Supposed to be shining, but she noticed that my chain do. Late night sex, I won't see what that mouth do.
I see fair gap on the daily chart below the current price. Sentiment has got strong selling hands. I'm not even sure what that means. No mods active? Yo, where you at? Mods, what's going on? Where's all the mods? K's in the house. What's the deal? How are you? Yo, sub, man. For sure, man. Dude. Drop a like, sub to the stream. We've been killing it. And follow the IG. Profitable night? No, not yet. It was a awesome night last night. And then it was a great morning this morning. We slayed it. Well, ooh, man. Alright, we're getting a little pullback here. Let's see. Look, previously this happened. We barely got a bottom wick, but I want a bottom wick on this one. If we get a bottom wick, what's the fill of the wick here at the moment is 23 pips, right? Might have a position here in about 2 minutes. If that happens, the 4-hour would flip. I mean, the daily would flip. And the 4-hour would flip. We can get ahead of it. But if it doesn't, what's the stop here? Right now, it's looking like 30 pip stops for about 36 pips. Probably go break even at 23. Leap runners. Daily flip, it has potential to drive.
Let's see if you really trap. Turn off the auto tune. Let's hear how you really rap. Send a location. Come burn up, boy, if you're bad. Let's see.
50 seconds, chat. 50 seconds.
How you relying on man like gal, you're mad. You must have mad. You ain't never sat in a trap with a pack, hear the doorbell ring and your heartbeat lag. Can't keep track. Been in the trap, it's hard. I can't keep up. Selling them party drugs. I'm the one that got the party ton. Rose, I'm going on dumb. I won't leave that trap alone. Come like I'm young in love. Got a toxic relationship with Stacy, but she won't cut me off. Can't be breaking even no more, Brody. I must see prof. Came to the band all healthy, left with a dusty cough. Loving the gold, this rose, like the England.
Yeah. I don't want these stops to be more than 35 pips. 32. Put him back. Hey, this is nice, chat. Yeah. If we get a nice bottom wick here, I'm gonna have buy stops. I need a bottom wick. Previously, though, the issue is last time we closed like this, you see, we didn't get a bottom wick. It just drove up. Look, last time right here, closure, it just drove up. And might just fill this. Yeah. I just fill this whole range. If it fills our advantage point, then there's no trade and we just wait on the 4-hour, right? It's no big deal. Barely a 1-to-1 here at this point right now. If we take it on the re-break of the current candle high, it's around stops around 37 pips, and we're gonna pick up around 37. So it's 1-to-1 right here. Maybe a little more, 40. All right, let's see how this bottom wick forms, if it forms even. I want a steeper bottom wick. I want it rejecting off something maybe. Maybe like a 16 pips here. Right here. Maybe 17.68 somewhere here. 17.69 flat. We get to 17.69 flat. I might set a buy stop. It's not enough for me, chat. I need a smoke. I need a lower wick. It'll probably come down, make one. But at what point will it do so? Wicks where the J at. I already smoked. I smoked right before I came on stream. All right. All right. All right. All right. I'm surviving. Survived the day. We were good. Yeah. Where were you, Green? You're late tonight. Late. Late. Drop a like, chat. It's good for the algo. We go. We hit 17.69 flat, right? It's a good level to reject off. Thinking of having a buy stop here right now. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have a buy stop here on the 30. Right. Okay. No, my stops will be previous 30. Or a little bit, the one before that. See, it's a little bit lower here. It's probably around 36, 37 pips here. Okay. The idea behind this trade, or behind this idea. The idea behind this idea was what happened previously on the charts. Right here. So we want to repeat that. We get this closure right here. And next candle, drive up. That's what we're going to expect this next candle to do, somewhere around to these levels. And if we break the previous candle low, or if we don't activate by around 8:45, I'm going to delete these buy stops because I will not be in a trade, you know, or not looking to activate a trade in the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour. Doesn't start driving up here in the next few minutes. We will close it out. Wait for the 4 hour to close, and then we'll have more info and more data. More info printed is an advantage to us. Can you see me? No, I can't see you. How can I see you? You on Zoom? Nobody on Zoom. Can't see you. Partial CP 1772.26. We get the fill of this wick, previous candle wick. Spark went up. No, I just smoked one. I still have a part of it rolled. I'd rather go outside and just smoke a little bit of the joint. Got the Monday night game on. Honestly, just looking forward to deleting these buy stops and just vibing out, waiting for the 4 hour stop, chill out. Really think that's going to be the better idea. I think we're going to be bearish on the next 4 hour. So I think we're going to have some sells. Because if you look at it, if this was range 1, right? You had support, resistance, right? You have your support, you have your resistance. You broke that, you created another support here, which is range 1, range 2. Anything below here, yeah, range 3. So if we close below here like this, next candle I'm gonna look to come down and correct this. Oh wait, and correct this area here. See, because earlier I was looking at this as range 1, but now like we're closing below this range. So this is interesting. We closed below this range and we got a bullish closure below the range. Huh. Yeah, so Yeah, this would make a lot of sense in the far. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna delete these. I think we're gonna break down here. I think we're gonna head bearish with the 4-hour closing bear. So let's redo this. Right. 4-hour closing back in range and closing bearish back in range. I was expecting the next 4-hour make a top wick and drive down. Daily doji broke the previous 4. Yeah, range 2 breakout. So we have support, right? We have resistance. Just up down. Are we in gold buys? No, we had a buy stop, but I deleted the buy stop here. I deleted the buy stop and we're doing the charts. I think this with this 4-hour closing bear here in 15 minutes, it's going to be really difficult to have buy stops. 4-hour closing back in range, closing bear. Really broke the previous 4-hour. I think we're going to come down. Well, the daily bias is bullish. We can have range 2 breakouts, I believe, below here. Yeah, I like this level a lot. I think we break this, we're going to come down. Yeah, we were never going to flip here. And I mean, no harm, no foul, right? If we were flipping, we were going to drive straight up to the top. It's still 15 minutes left, but it's the final 15 of the 4-hour. I typically see a pullback. And what has this done? This has done absolutely nothing. The session is right here. These 2 candles. That's the session so far. Hasn't moved in price. Which time frames are support resistance? From 4 to the 1 to the 30. the mix.
My goal was always billions. By the 50 piece. And I swear to God I'd get rich and die trying. Even if it meant massacre on you. Mr. Thanksgiving.
250 watching. Thank you guys for being here. So it's not an easy day, but we had a monster London session last night. Well, no, we didn't have a London session. I had a monster London session. And then we had a great morning on stream. We had a W on stream. No, like number 65. Let's get to 100 likes. Let's see if we can get 100 before the 4-hour closes here.
Suicide doors and the inside green. Like whoa, 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 high speed. I'ma hit the gas, I don't even need a key. I'ma pay cash, I ain't talking about the leaks. Like a pair of dirty sneakers, yeah, I know that she a beater. I'ma hit it one time, you know I ain't tryna keep her. And I know that they be blind, so I'm walking with a Nina. Okay, girl, won't you put on the show for me?
French cut wicks looks more presentable. Really appreciate that. Sure. What made you chef dumb? No clue. We don't trade you chef. What time do you trade London at? I didn't trade London last night. I woke up. I had to trade at like 4 a.m. and forgot about it. 8:48. We got 12 minutes, chat. Just relax. Take it easy. Sit on your hands. Get some coffee. Liquidity grab, right? Random, shameless liquidity grab coming right up. That's delicious. Nah, I mean, trying to say you cute out here in the streets? Hey, is it a she? My wife will have a problem with that. Who's winning the game? I don't know. It's a commercial right now. They're showing the fucking Liberty Bell. I don't know. AARP commercial right now.
It's like he knows me. Not everyone made it out alive.
People died.
But it really was the best part of life.
All night, and night. You only love me when you're not watching. All night, and night. All night. Who's scared? Who really afraid of where this goes? Even though I know how it ends up, and nobody's scared. I put my hand up in the air, you put your heart up in the air, you gave it for forever, ever, then we re-begin. And the best part of life, I'm with you for forever, ever, ever, till the end. And the best part of life,
Called Best Part of Life by St. John.
Look, truthfully speaking, my dog, I wouldn't tell you no lies. I wasn't here every night. I did my share of the crimes. I was a terror sometimes. Ain't see the mirror sometimes. Now I'm accountable, dog. Comfortable, close in my eyes. I can't be afraid of the dark. Can't let you play with my heart. I was just playing my part. I know you stay in the park. We've been in love for a while. We've been in love more than now. We done ran a forest mile, baby, in the middle of the homie. Nobody else survived. Nobody made it out. I gotta wave the flag on the steps, but I'm lonely. I don't know the miles, girl, I don't know the routes. The only thing I know is this love. Best part of life, I'm with you for forever, ever, even if it ends. And the best part of life, I'm with you for forever, ever, then we re-begin. And the best part of life, I'm with you for forever, ever, ever, till the end. And the best part of life, in the movie, I'm with you for forever, till the end. And the best part of life, I'm with you for forever, ever, ever, till the end. And the best part of life, in the movie, I'm with you.
Yeah, if we don't drive in the next 7 minutes, if we close like this, we close bearish, but respecting 769.66, we'll have buy stops, basically the same level, but we gotta wait on this 4-hour close, because if it closes below here, it's a high chance it comes back down. If it closes like it is right now, it could come back. If it closes a little bit higher and respects that level, we'll have a wick special, and we'll have buy stops for the seller play coming up.
Every day, you. Weekdays, you. Weekends, you. Even on my
Oh, we got any news today? No news today.
feels like I'm in a relationship with myself. You're never around.
Tiny. We got 6 minutes to go, Chaz. Just relax, take it easy. Let's see what happens. We need some info here. 4 more likes. What are we gonna get? 4-hour closure or 100 likes? The goal is 200, so we can drive Don crazy, right? Don gets pissed. We got 200 likes and he gets 150 in New York. He's pissed. That's how the Asian session trolls New York stream.
You did it by yourself.
By yourself.
Well, is you single? With my single ladies, stack your bread and bought your own Mercedes. You your own boss, do it your way. Quick to tell a broke nigga go away.
Hey, welcome to the stream, Digital Era. Thank you for joining us. Waiting on the closure.
Put that work and stay on your job. You don't break a sweat. In the mirror taking pics cause you know you never afraid to be by yourself. You ain't never afraid to be by yourself. Say you ain't afraid to be by yourself. Say you ain't afraid to be by yourself. You don't need a man, you do it by yourself.
Yeah, we close above here. We're gonna have a fake out on the hourly as well. Fake out on the hourly, 30 celery play, so high quality position. Just need a closure above. Should be a lot of fun. Once you catch a trade, do you get FF the charts till the next session, or do you watch every couple hours for a setup? Typically, I hang out with the stream, and then I go leave, wait for the next session. I don't like, I'm done. Like, we stream in the morning, right? 7 to 10, we're on the charts here. After that, I'm out. I don't look at the computer, charts, MT5, nothing. I don't care. I didn't look at the charts, what Asian was doing, until I actually clicked from the stream starting to the charts. That was my first time looking at the charts since 9 a.m., 9:30. So I had no clue what was going on there. Look, I ended up creating a bottom wig this whole time. I got long in EP. I'm not sure if it is. You trade London from 1:30 a.m. All those water bottles collected. I know, right? All this liquidity, Paul. Gonna go somewhere.
Don't push it, you crazy.
Working out and trading. Benefits at a home gym? Nice, nice. Now you just gotta get me on a big screen. London can be traded at 1:30, but I do not trade it at 1:30. Very rarely that I'm up for London. I am typically passed out by like midnight. Who's excited for the World Cup, huh? That's an exciting fucking thing coming up. Who wants Uruguay to win? Yo, what's going on? YouTube. Why's my YouTube frozen? Oh, here we go. I like it in chat. We got 2 minutes to go here. 2 minutes. Dos. Team Morocco here. All right. I'm gonna be cheering on for the U.S. I'm gonna be rooting for the U.S. to win a game or something. Oh shit.
All my haters hating cause they under me. If this bitch get poppin', more than likely it's because of me. They ducking me. He say that's his bitch, but she be fucking me. Got the Rex and moved out to LA, I did it suddenly. Had to move out, I'm in the groove now. Me and my bitch just broke up in the morning, but we cool now. She know I'm that nigga now, so now she on me. Niggas is fake, so I know you not my homie. You might think you know me. I was just like you step
Colombia. Hey, we close like this right now. We're gonna look for these buy stops. Kind of. Oof, this is tough though. Look at this 2 hour. 2 hour closing right below it. For my issue here, I don't know if I want to do this right now. My issue here is the 4 hour is bare and it broke the previous 4 hour. There's a really high probability that this 4 hour, yeah, especially if it closes below in here in 30 seconds. Yeah, if it closes below here, there's no trade. I'd really want to be bearish. Look, this 4 hour is just closing back in range here on the higher time frames. And what do we say? We always say trust the higher time frames. Wait for it to do something. GJ has not done anything. This has been our session right here. Look, these 4 15-minute candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our session right here. GJ. Fucking silly goose. 2 seconds. 1, and we closed below. And look how it looks like on a 2 hour. Look, kind of breaking into this range. Not only we have more info printed, right? 4 hour previous 4 hour. We're gonna have, yeah, we're gonna look for a closure here on gold in the next 30 minutes, somewhere below this range. I don't know if I'm not buying above here. Honestly, I'm gonna remove that. I really want sells. If we end up coming up back in this range for buys, I'm gonna wait till we break the 4 hour highs or till new 4 hour forms. I'm only interested in sells here.
talking about some bitches I don't know about. I'm pressed about you. Better pull up with that room key. I'm pressed about you. Ain't really into no small talk. I'm really out of your ballpark. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You think it's way too easy. You'll never believe me. Life come back and forth.
Yeah, chat. I'd like to see some sells. I'd like to see us close below 1767.83. I'm not going to be looking for buys here just yet. Costa Rica. Costco Rico. Get that shit on sale. Celery play. That happens, right? The 1 hour is gonna break its own high right now. 4 hours so bare. This could be a top wick for the 4 hour. I'm not comfortable with buys here. I really wanted to buy it. I really wanted closure above here on the hourly. That would have given me confidence that, yeah, we're clear to go. Shout out to who? I don't do shout outs. It's gotta be natural. It's gotta come naturally. You know what I mean? I'm gonna start a shout out Dono board. Drop a Dono, you get a little tiny shout out. That's gonna be our whatchamacallit, Go XLR funds. We're gonna try to get a Go XLR so we can fucking have sound effects here. I don't know nobody from the 6 except Drake and Don. That's the only 2 people I know from the 6. Shout out Paul for being the only mod on here. Oh, and Green. Paul and Green. What you guys doing? Paul, what you guys up to right now? Hey, 120 likes. Good shit. Only took an hour. You guys are awesome. Filming a movie right now. Yeah, I know the homie. I know the uncle. Did anyone jump into a position here on the rebreak of the highs? Is anyone feeling impulsive? Doing invoices for my other business. Which other business? Strip club? Corey Jones, don't be lying. Every time somebody says hi, I'll be honest. They lying their ass off. I'll be honest, I took no positions today. That means they blew their account. Chris 29. Well, are you making more money than her? Hey, there we go. Rebreak at a high. Celery play. Hananan coming up. I mean, it did everything we wanted except close where we wanted, right? And I'm not gonna settle, especially in Asian session. I'm only gonna take like, so our breakdown is correct. It's just we didn't get a closure that we needed above here. Still come, still get it. But celery play is looking nice. What are the stops here? 27 for like 30 something. This song sucks. How does this guy get a fucking record deal? Fucking trash. Give it a Glock 2000. What you mean? I said I'm feeling impulsive. I ain't in no trade. No. You said I'll be honest, but when somebody says I'll be honest, they're typically lying. Do you how trade cabbage play? No, I do not how trade cabbage play. Do you have a woman in your life? I got 4. 4 women in my life. 5 technically, but yeah. No, I didn't read what you said before. As we are driving up here. Yeah, this should fill this wick. This was our idea. Yeah. The fill of the wick. But it's not something we would take with such a bearish 4-hour here, okay? And I gotta stick to my guns and trust the higher time frames. It would be hard for me to convince myself buys here with such a bearish 4-hour. Has 4 wives keeping it halal? No, I got a wife and 3 daughters. He asked me if I got a woman in my life. I said I got 4. I got 3 daughters. And I got a wife. Well, I said 5 because I also have a mother. No, I'm not a pimp player. I'm a father. I'm a dad. You guys do bad things. I do dad things, right? Call me daddy. I'm echoing. Oh, you're right. I am echoing. How about now? I'm gonna stop echoing. Shouldn't be echoing now. I turned off the echo. Are you my echo? Yes.
Too much. He said, rocks in the wrist, too much. 40 autos on a bed, too much. 42 and sip, too much. I done hit another.
You have any dad jokes for us? No, but I do have a milk story. Check that out. It's on my IG. Start posting it. I gotta post some YouTube shorts. Yeah, all 4 call me daddy. Feel like GJ wants to melt? GJ don't know what it feel like. Look, it's fucking barcoding. It's at the same price. Literally, like we were at 164,900 when I opened the stream, and we are at 164,900 right 904 right now. It's fucking. Yes, sir, Briner. Positive, inspirational, motivating. I'm a pimp. Right? Is that what it is? Pimp? Positive, inspirational, motivating person. That's a pimp. Only trade Asian session? No, this morning, as I was just saying 5 minutes ago, you're new, Mr. Business. Just jumped on here. 5 minutes ago, we were discussing how I had a really good London session, and then we all took a trade this morning on stream and got a W then too. So we had a really good morning. I ain't P. Yes, I'm new. Sorry. Don't apologize for being new. Just stick around. Drop a like, subscribe, right? Sub to the channel. This way you can be here whenever we stream, and within a month you won't be asking questions. You'll be helping answer them for other newbies. Noobs. We had a stream this morning. Yeah, we had a stream this morning. It was controller effects stream. We were on Donvo's channel streaming the New York session, as we do every Monday through Friday, 6:30 to 10 a.m. Eastern, and then every Monday through Thursday we stream Asian session live here on YouTube, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern. Thank you, Nick. Awesome. Looks like we've been trading all 3 sessions nowadays, Wix. No, it just so happens. I trade morning session with Don on his stream. I run the stream here for the Asian session. And it just so happened I was up at 4 a.m. last night and took a trade at like 3 a.m. Didn't take that trade. Listen to you. Thanks, Wix. We can draw down right now. Really? Why? Oh yeah. Well, it's all right. Yeah, it started breaking up, but like it's like I say, trust the higher time frames. Don't be impulsive. Be a machine, right? Impulsive person. Ego, you be questioning right now. Should I jump in? Should I not jump in? But if you know the 4-hour closed so bare and below, and the next hour didn't close above, high probability drives up here, but not as high as it would have been if we did close above here, which is what we would have wanted. So we're not going to settle for a trade. We're going to wait for our setup. That's what keeps the win rate so high. I trade 20 hours daily. The snow helps. That's terrible. I get the name of Don's channel, Controller Effects, or Don Vote. Just search it up and you'll find it. Sub to this channel, sub to this channel, sub to his channel, and then you'll get notifications from both when they go on. Join our free Discord. It's in the description. The free Discord is incredible. Massive amount of value. The Asian, the London, the New York session are all broken up. You got to every session has its own gang in there, and whichever session you trade, everyone trades very similarly. We all trade price action, and a lot of people understand the concepts. You know, that we're dropping, so a lot of people can explain shit, and people are like-minded and they trade it in there, so you guys can all hop onto the call sessions in the Discord and trade in there. You have to turn notifications on or else it won't send it. You talking to me? I think, what do you mean I have to turn them on? Everything's on. No? When I start my YouTube channel, you guys get notified, don't you? Killing it with your blue suit on Insta. Appreciate it, yeah. For new subs. I mean, I'll look into it. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Eddie. But then again, I'm not sure of a lot of stuff on YouTube because it's YouTube and streaming's fairly new to me. Can you Discord me, please? I can't discard you. I can Discord you. I can give you the link to the Discord. It's in the description. Just go to the description. It's in there. And it's free. Free. The lot size use 10s and 5s. Don't add me on Discord, just join the Discord. Join our Discord. Not try and sign in Discord from the internet. No, just download the app. You guys are funny. Giggity, giggity. You get more views than any other Asian streamer breaking records. I don't even know if there's any other Asian streamers. I don't think there's a single one. Now, don't start naming them right now, because I'm not trying to have people hop onto the streams over there, go start beef, come back on here. Don't do that shit. That shit is not welcome. I'm being rude, but can you show us a strategy? It looks like we're just staring at a chart. Were you here for the breakdown? Do you understand? Is this your first stream? There's no, this is like, we did a breakdown. You're late. Join us. Keep joining us. We're looking for a closure below here for a range 2 breakout, as I would consider this range 1, range 2. Right, we had support, we had resistance, form range 1, but we broke into the previous range here. Another support, this is range 2, right, range 2. So it's highly unlikely for this sells from here to here to play out, but they did today. It's more likely that this candle fakes out, comes back in range here and drives up, but we had a strong 4-hour bearish closure. So I'm not looking for these buys unless the 4-hour closes bullish. And when will the 4-hour close bullish? At 1 a.m., which means buys would be lovely for London. But the way Asian session is forming here, I would really like to see either a sell below here for range 2 breakouts, because the previous 4 hours is incredibly bare, right, and broke the previous 4 hour. Look at that, it broke the previous 4 hour back in range and bear. So I would expect this top wick to be made and then a drive down on the 4 hour, right? But if it doesn't drive here on this candle and this 4 hour closes bull at 1 a.m., then the next candle, you know, should continue driving up bullish, just like that, right? It should make a bottom wick and then it should come up. But that's if we close. This is a 4 hour, right? So this is at 1 a.m. closure right here, and then this is the 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. London session. In the middle, in this long candle, you're gonna have a lot of play here during London on the hourly, and you'll have chances to enter your positions, right? But if we're expecting this 4 hour to close bullish and break the previous 4 hour, that's what you want to see. The problem is we haven't done so yet, and I'm only going to react to what the market has done, and it hasn't printed a bullish 4 hour candle. It's only printed a bearish 4 hour candle, and as of the moment it's printing a candle, but it hasn't finished printing it. So unless we break the previous 4 hour highs, we're not going to start looking for positions. Once we break the previous 4 hour highs, I'm going to start looking for closures to go, you know, to be bullish. But this is our session is only 2 hours, so we get 4 30-minute candles, we get 2 1-hour candles to take advantage of. So I would say the better buys here would be not impulsively right now as we're driving up, but get a confirmation that we're for buys by having it drive up here, and that drive up here is not something to take advantage of, but just be a confirmation that you can start exploiting the market above here, because then you have momentum and you have direction. As of right now, with the smaller time frames kind of creeping up bullish, it means nothing with this bearish 4 hour back in range. This could just be a top wick and then re-break at the lows on the 4 hour, and down and down and down and down we go. Oh, right? This could end up looking like this. How many times have you seen a bullish candle just all of a sudden look a bit like, This Monday feels like a Friday, right, chat? Or is it just because are we getting new viewers? Or we have more viewers, right? Overall, we have more viewers. Yo, just subscribe to Don Vo. Hope to see you there. Absolutely, just subscribe to this channel. Sub to this channel as well. Sub and like. This way you get the best of Devious. This guy keeps wanting me to shout out somebody. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's even slang. That could be like a curse word in like Timbuktu or something like that. I don't know. Maybe it's fucking Wakandan for, I don't know, for SMC or something like that. I don't know. I'm good. I'm good. Has a daily flip yet? Oh, we might have a daily flip. See, the daily respected never broke, so it's fine for it to drive up, but I need some closures. Lincoln Prudential. I'm learning Discord. I've subscribed here and on Discord, but I'm learning. Good shit. Yeah. I mean, it's never too late. I always thought it was too late for IG or for YouTube, right? Look at that. If you look, I've had my YouTube for like 15 years. I have my YouTube, I think, is registered in like 09 or 08. Right? So you think like 12 years later, 13 years later, it's too late? Well, I started streaming and I don't know. It's not too late. So. Yo, you guys are out of pocket. Mods, what's going on? Ready traded today. Hope y'all take profits home today. Goodbye and WX9. Good shit. Needs to fix his links. They weird. Why are they weird? Let me go through the links. Let me hit it. Discord. Oh, we beamed you into the Discord app. You gotta sign in. It's not weird. Just sign the fuck in. An IG link. That goes straight to my IG. Yeah. Chris, Forex Stream, Chris, Forex, okay? Come here with some money-making ideas. Realistic money-making ideas. As we're driving up here.
Change on me, she's screaming, please don't waste my time. I say I totally agree. See, girl, I'm fine with that. I done gave my watches away, ain't got no time for that. Asking where's my heart, good luck finding.
Withdrawal still taking weeks to a month on TD. Pretty fast right now. I think they're pretty fast because of Savvy Wallets. Savvy Wallets made things a lot quicker. It was like that for the last month. Chat. I need some more liquidity. Hold on. Oh, it's 14:10. We about to go to halftime. Damn, Jalen Hurts putting the beats on him. Hold on, chat. Give me a sec. I'm gonna grab something to smoke.
Took a lot of risks, don't swim with the fish, hand touch a lot of dollars, I don't count a whole million. Pop my collar, I can bring back pimpin'. Key 2-star phone, I'm cold, ain't sippin'. I don't ran from the bottom, I still ain't finished. Made it to the top and I still ain't finished. I said the panel walk and I still can't feel it. Better keep a Glock, nigga, real life killin'. Him and me buying back they block, nigga, still drug dealin'. Jimmy pockets having nights, making through a little living. Got it out the pot, selling drugs out the kitchen. When she tell me how my sauce, I don't mind a little tippin'. Put you in the zone and let me show you how to drip it.
Red light district, I've been hanging with some bitches. Got a baddie in my message and she know I'm counting riches. I'm a made nigga and I do a lot of tipping. Nigga talking money, then you know I gotta listen. Keep a pole with me like a fisherman, a stripper. New chain looking like it's swimming through a river. I'm a trap nigga, send the Eddie I deliver. Niggas pocket watch, wanna know what's in the wallet.
Do not use TD, so what Wick said. Straight cheese. What Wick said. he meant that shit. How long you been trading? 4 years. 4 long, painful, extremely humbling years. Your links take you everywhere but to the app. You know what? Here, who dropped the link? Can somebody green drop the link for him again, please? It should take it to the app itself, not the internet. Maybe you're right. It takes you to the Discord link, but the internet Discord. I get you. I get you what you're saying. I don't know. Not a link expert. We'll figure it out. Same link Donvo has on his thing. So. Daily has flipped bullish and flipped bearish again. See? We need to break these 4-hour highs, and then if we pull back on the hourly, so this would be the idea. We break this 4-hour high and then pull back, close here at 10 in 30 minutes. And we can take some buys. But I need this hourly to pull back. If we can close at around 1770 here, right here, 1770.88, somewhere on there on the hourly, we can take buys on the next hourly. But I need this previous one to be broken first, this previous hourly, because that would break the previous 4, right? If it breaks the previous 4 without breaking the lows, I'd be a little more comfortable with taking those buys. Oh, all you gotta do is sign in on the web then, and it takes you to, I don't know. You're on your own. If you really want to join the Discord, you'll find a way. DJ to 175. Yeah, maybe. I concur. It's a possibility. Is it a probability? Not tonight. For DJ to go to 175, look where the fuck it has to go. Like, word. I think it's just gonna drive there.
Tryna take it to 10, do whatever that it take for the win. I'm gonna take the fall for all my problems. Say prayers for all my partners, and they locked in the pen. Every day I get up, get it in. Turn it up 1 notch for 10. I smoke 2 for 10 for my night. Making sure these niggas that count up all these ends.
Work on your link. Ain't nobody doing that extra stuff. No, you work on the link. I don't need to join. You want to join. You want free, man. This is why the fuck you guys can't trade. That's why you're never successful at shit you try, like, because you want to be spoon-fed, and you want me to do everything, and, like, Jesus, get off, like, yo, we are grown fucking adults, right? Like, no one in this life is gonna fucking help you, right? There's no one that owes you shit. The only people that are gonna help you, that's just because you got lucky, you know? They're gonna do it out of their, like, sheer niceness. But no one's obligated to help you with shit, and most of the time, 99% of the time, they won't. So learn how to figure shit out on your own. Think critically. Do your due diligence. Hell. You don't want to do it? Don't do it. Don't learn. Go fucking play Fortnite and wash cars. I don't know. Nothing wrong with washing cars, though.
Time and run back, could have been a Rari, but I don't want that. Touch my watch, man, back it and chop that. Pretty girl, man, I rate, I pop that, love that. When I'm in the bed, I rock that. Bad girl look innocent, the way she twist it, must be Caribbean. A young boy got a drop with a upset. I told him just mind the civilians. For the whack was toast and finishing, but it just needs some configuring. You talk about your up in the zoo and billing.
Saying there's massive value there. If you find your way there, great. You're helping yourself, but help yourself. Oh, this is getting annoying. Yo, Chris, Nick, I don't know what the fuck you guys are on, but let me get one more of these. One more shout out request. I'm banning everybody.
Apollo's contagious. We spin a block with some shit that's outrageous. All the shorties gon' blow from a dick. Give him shots up close to make sure he could taste it. Off of Addy drink Julio straight, got my game face on.
Alright, tell him to join the stream, and I'll talk to him myself.
Looking back, we done came real far. I remember being broke, selling crack on the pavement. Up that bitch, he get changed to a star. Now they posting his pic on their Facebook pages.
Like, people find their fucking way here and they learn. There's people that have been here for fucking 2 weeks and pick shit up, and then, you know, somebody comes here, you know, for a few weeks and just talks shit and never picks anything up. Why? Because all you're doing is talking shit. Like, yo, help yourself. You're not even talking shit about trading. You're just talking nonsense. Like, who the fuck cares? Stop speaking nonsense, yo. You think fund managers come into work and crack jokes all day? Their client, like, hey, shout out my brother. And you're like, no, you're fucking dealing with money, asshole. Yeah, thank you guys for being. I mean, I love everybody, but you got to come here and try to help yourself, and you got to think critically, right? You got to be, you know, an asset to yourself and to others, right? You time me out, man. You lucky I don't kick your dog. Why are you using the N-word? You're white, man. Use the N-word. Don't be offensive. You are gonna have to create a burner account to talk on this stream. I don't want to talk bad about you. I just don't want to talk about you. I want to talk about the charts. Chris, go find God. Go find Jesus, and then come back when you found Jesus. Right? Humble yourself. It just, you know, makes no sense. Why show up here and waste your time? This could have been working on getting yourself better, getting your family better, working on getting out of poverty. Yeah, Johnny, it's the Brooklyn way. I'm thinking nothing till we get these closures, and GJ at 10 will not suit me. I'm looking for gold to break the previous 4-hour high and pull back, leave a wick for us to take buys. That's what I'm looking for. Do you know certain forex pairs correlate with each other? Only if they share a currency, and it's never a direct correlation. Or only if it's a safe haven currency. If both currencies are safe haven currencies, then they might correlate. But also, it's not a direct relationship. So stop looking for correlations between currencies. Pick a pair and look for weaknesses in the way that pair moves, where you can exploit the market, right? You go to the casino, you look for weaknesses, weak dealers, you know, something you can exploit really easily. Same thing here in the markets. Markets provide weaknesses. If you notice them from time to time, you can use that to your advantage, because the market just repeats over and over and over. Like, right, the retail trading here is just the collective psyche. What we're seeing printed on the charts, right, is the collective psyche of the trading world, I guess. So every brain put together, and the human psyche, like human nature is human nature. It doesn't change, right? Human psyche is human psyche. So the charts are going to repeat what the traders are doing. Traders are always doing the same thing, right? So charts are going to continue repeating. If you find those repetitions, you can take advantage and exploit the market. It's not going to change because human nature just won't change. Like, people are the same.
Always watching these niggas fake and phony. I heard one of my homies getting the ice stop rolling. Smoking California, my new garments got a odor. Refrigerator full of codeine, I producers in my soda. Movie Virgil laces look like walk hard. They told me I wasn't gonna make it if you ain't grind hard. Wake up in the morning.
Trade stock, crypto, but not currencies. I got you. Well, careful with crypto now. Wait, did we break the high here? No, right? Did we break the high on the broker? No, we didn't even break the high on the broker yet. No. I want to break this previous high here and then pull back.
California, my new garments got a odor. Maybe Virgil listens feel like walk hard. California, my new garments got a odor. Maybe Virgil listens feel like walk hard.
Exchange, yeah, what broker do I use? I don't trade crypto. I got more burners than KD, more burners than naked HD. You ever consider fundamentals when trading or strictly technical? I feel that applying fundamentals will work more in line with swing trades. What are your thoughts? I believe that fundamentals are not necessary to be profitable, are incredibly beneficial to be a lot better trader. But I do know people that do not pay attention to fundamentals at all. We do. We make sure there's no news when we're trading, right? That can affect our price action. And if there is, we adjust accordingly. We let it play out. But I'm not looking for... I have an expectation, right? War breaks out. I have expectations of gold to go up. Like, crazy shit goes on in the world. Typically, money flows into safe havens, right? Like, only on the... No, there's plenty of people that do what I do. I'm not even the best. I'm not even, like, great, right? Many of you could probably do this way better. My goal here is just to answer questions for anybody that does have them. You have really easy access to me here. So what you should be coming on here, instead of talking shit, you should be coming on here and asking questions and trying to get better. Or if you have suggestions, you can drop your suggestions and educate us. Hey, I'm always open to learning, right? Just find the Discord, drop your chart in the Discord if it's a nice chart, and drop it before the trade plays out. We'll all discuss it, right? We can put your chart up, and if it makes sense, you can maybe teach the stream, educate us, but, you know? I'm definitely not the best. There's definitely better traders. I'm not the first one doing this. There's definitely people that have paved the way for streaming, right? And for trading. So... yeah, I'm gonna do the timing thingy. Trader's domain.
Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't go playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it. If you really wanna ball, till you fall when you're back against the wall, and a bunch of niggas need you.
What's going on here, Victoria? Victoria, we are trading Forex.
Saw you last night, but did it broad day.
How much did you grow your account in the last 3 months? I'd say roughly 30%, 35, because you got to remember that September and August started off really, really slow, right? So if we're talking August, September, October, probably around 30%. But we had some massive months, right? We had some 40% months beginning of the year, March, April. We had some really good months. We had my August, I think, ended at like 1% or almost break even, and my September ended at like 4%, right? Those were like our 2 worst months of the year. Yeah, Traders Domain, that's Uncle Ted's broker. March, April, May, yeah, we had like, yeah, we had massive runs. March, April, May. What's up, baby? You don't like that sweater? Okay.
Well, climbing over that wall. I remember, yes, I remember, yes, I remember it all. Swear the hype be too tall. So like September, I fall.
We're trading GJ and gold. If you can see, we have GJ right here. Oh, breaking up above. Let's see if we can get some buys. Yeah. It'll be 10, right? In 17 minutes. Let's see. Look, last time we closed above. Next candle, bullish. Drove up. Closed above here. Drove up. 30 closed above. Drove up. Closed above. Drove up. This is interesting. My issue here is it's 10 p.m. during Asian session, so this isn't peak session. Hey, Dr. Dollar in the house. What's the deal? How you doing? What's going up? I was on your stream the other day. I hopped on because I seen you streaming during my stream last week. I hopped on, but you weren't on there. I think you were just gathering viewers or waiting for people, or you were doing like a long stream, so you were away. Oh, good though. I dropped a like. Gotta show love. It's not easy to stream, chat. If whoever's doing this, yeah, whoever's doing this, taking live positions in front of people, in front of the stream, in front of chat. You know, I hop on your stream, I show love, I drop a like. Going like crazy? I don't know, how long did it take you to get 4K subs? I'm in here for 2 months. Trying to get to 4K. I think the thing is, London session, right? You probably get it quick. Oh, no, longer than that. I was gonna say quicker because you get more viewers. Hey, first timer, nice. See, the algo's working. You guys like, you guys sub to the channel, and YouTube recommends this to like-minded people. So let's grow the community. Let's get the toxicity out of here. Yeah, a lot of new viewers. Oh, also first time. You see, a lot of new viewers. So typically we got like 200, 250 real ones, but I'm getting a lot of new viewers. So I'm guessing because it's Monday, a lot of people haven't made it on here. Cool vibe, just gotta go. Yeah, no, I appreciate you being here. If you keep showing up for a month, you'll be in tune with what we're doing. Honestly, first time for me to see a lot of new people. Just keep showing up. Just from experience from us here, and you can ask the mods or anyone that's been here for a while, or anyone that's with us during the New York session. It roughly takes maybe 4 to 6 weeks to start, falling in line or being in tune with exactly what we're doing here, and then you can can kind of follow along, start trading opening positions. But if you have any questions, this is the session to ask. I know you guys watch Don in the morning, 1,000 people viewing that stream, sometimes 1,500, but always over 800, right? 800 to 1,500 people view that stream. Your questions get lost in the chat really easily, lost in the sauce, hard to answer you. But right here, you have 300 people watching. You have very easy access to me, and if you have any questions, just ask away. You have suggestions, post them. There's 300 people on here that are willing to learn. -2, 300 -2. GJ no go. GJ. This is honestly no. I'm gonna wait on GJ for London session, and I just don't want to be. If I open GJ, yeah, it technically should drive, but it needs a catalyst, right? And the catalyst typically is the market or closures above, yeah, but market volume. And I don't want to be sitting here, even if it does go up. I don't want to be sitting here from 10 to like midnight waiting for it to go up. I'd rather it happen during the session with volume, so it just drives. I don't want it to end up trickling up slowly over the next few hours. I just want a nice clean drive up. The burners, here come the burners. Been here 4-week New York Asian. Pay attention to know what's going on. Yeah, thank you, Corey. You got a job for only trading? No, I've built businesses. I hire people for jobs. I'm a job creator. I create taxpayers. Right? I create jobs for people, and then they get to work, and then they make money, and they pay taxes, and then hopefully they make enough money to go create their own jobs and create, more positions so more people can make money. Didn't break, but it pulled back, right? This is really tough here, chat. You needed this high to break for me to have some confidence that we're going to drive up here. But it just, remember we said if it drives up but it doesn't break and it just pulls back, really high chance for this 4 hour to just flip. Since we closed back in range, I would expect this 4 hour to look respect at this level and come back down, flip. How long have I been profitable? These questions are amazing. No wonder Don gets fucking tired of this shit. Maybe profitable or consistent, two different things. I've been consistent for a couple of years, but I've been profitable for about a year. And if it doesn't break down, flip, and if it doesn't drive up and break, and it closes just like this at 1 a.m., this is what I'm talking about. This is what you guys should look for. You guys shouldn't be planning your trade here or how you're going to take advantage of Asian session. You should be planning out how to attack the London session with this 4 hour close, because we're getting nothing here for Asian, but we're getting an indication of what's to come. And this 4 hour close at 1 a.m., this stays like this, right? If we just kind of range around this area and close just like this in 3 hours at 1 a.m., right? Your London session will be good to go, because then you'll have the weekly bullish the previous week, right? It will be flipping here. The daily will be flipping here. The 4 hour will have closed bullish here on a bullish day. With our bullish daily bias, right? Previous day closed bullish. The 1 hour will have closed bullish above range. So your every single time frame from top down will be closing above here, and London session should just be clean buys. Beard shave just knows, well, you gotta miss one snitch. Oh, man. Okay, you guys can't be doing this. Oh wait, I did it wrong. My bad. Thank you, Green. My bad. Wix 9 was hidden by Wix 9. With a real Wix 9, please stand up. You ever hop back on the charts for London? Very rarely. Yesterday I hopped back on the charts for London. Yesterday I took a pretty nice... Don was talking about this one. No, I don't stream London. It's the only session I stream, and I'm on Don Vo's stream in New York. In New York. In the morning for New York session. Did you and Don meet? I already went over this. He subscribed to my OnlyFans. 8 minutes, chat. Doesn't look like we're gonna get a closure here that we want right now, but it does look like the 4 hour is gonna be what we want. Drop the link. Nah, you're gonna have to do some work for that link. Look for feet pics. What's my split? I got a 5-day split. Today was chest, tomorrow arms. Wednesday I'm gonna do back, Thursday I'm gonna do shoulders, and Friday I'm gonna do legs. And tomorrow and Thursday after the workout I'm gonna do abs. That bro split, yeah. Straight up, gym bro. What happened to Kay? Kay said she was coming on stream. Was she on here? Well, anyway, shout out to all the mods, even if she's on here, whatever the mods are on here. Green, Nav, Dollar, yo, shout out to Dr. Dollar showing up, showing love. Good shit. I'm up for London, I'll stop by, drop a like. Which currency pair? It says right here on the top left corner, it says gold. Make me a mod emoji. No, there's a few people vying for the wrench here. There's a few people that can be modded next. You in a long or short? No, we were expecting buy positions and we were sell positions earlier, never closed below. Respect, it came up. Then we expected to break the previous 4 hour and then a pullback to take some buys, but it never broke. It held. Okay, so the next play here would be the next 4 hour close. Yeah, buy. No, not now. I'm not gonna take a position here, and if anyone's gonna be on for London, that's what I'm advising you to do. I'm advising you to wait for London to get this 4 hour close here. Once this 4 hour close is bullish, then you can have high confirmations that you're good for buys. Until then, no bueno. I need to grab some liquidity here. No bueno. Bueno, yeah. Oh shit, we're almost at 200 likes. Don's gonna be pissed. He's gonna be pissed in the morning going, chat, what the fuck? Trend bullish. I don't know what you're talking about. GJ? Gold? What you talk about, Willis? RSI senior process seems like on an hour. Sure. Post the chart. We'll discuss it. What's good, Bryant? How's it going? Oh man, on gold. Okay, so on gold, setting up for a buy. Yeah. What, the RSI is showing divergence for a buy? Possibly, but I'd need some closures or the break of the previous 4-hour high and a pullback, and it hasn't happened. It's not going to happen in the next 3 minutes. If it does, great. We'll look for something. If it doesn't, which it probably won't, we won't look for something. I'm a restaurant goer, never been a Whole Foods. She gon' listen to the song, say this shit a whole mood. I'm in the mountains out west on a tour bus, texting a chick I used to mess with. Got her in the bed doing video shoots. Tried to send one to me, but it didn't go through. You sold GJ. Where? While we're in this bullish candle, you sold GJ as we're breaking highs? Huh. Questionable. Highly questionable. Alright, chat. Well, I don't know. There's going to be no positions here during this Asian session. Thank you for joining us on the first Asian session of this week. We're going to run it again, same time tomorrow as we do every Monday through Thursday, live here on YouTube, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern. So make sure you're here tomorrow. It's like 7:55. Get your notebooks ready. Just fucking get your charts ready. Bring your fucking brain, right? Don't show up here fucking not prepared or ready to troll. I see you at London. No, I'm probably not gonna trade. I wanna go smoke a fat Jamaican joint and go pass out to be on stream for the morning, right? But I'm going to be here at this time tomorrow for the Asian session stream, and at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. I'm going to be on there at like 7, but 6:30 a.m. Eastern, the New York session stream with Controller Effects. And I believe that's it. Listen, thank you, mods, for showing up and helping me run the stream. It's really, really important for me and key for me that you guys are doing that, because I would have a hard time running the stream, running chat, and doing everything else. So thank you for helping me control the chat. Appreciate you, Green. Thank you, everyone else that showed up here. Dr. Dollar, Clint. There's other mods. Kay showed up for a minute and dipped. I don't know if Nav was here, but thank you guys for showing up. Thank you guys for supporting. We're growing. Keep dropping them likes. Keep subbing to the channel. Not a mod yet. Clint, yeah, one day. I mean, we got Kieran here also, right? Vying for modship. Everybody wants the wrench, right? Kieran, Clint. So there's quite a few people on here that are looking for those, for that all elusive wrench, right? But just keep showing up. We're gonna keep doing this. Yeah. Here we go. 10 p.m. We got a closure. Closed above. Typically, if the previous 4-hour was bullish, we would wait for a bottom wick here, maybe to 1770.284. Because look, last time we closed above here, that's where we went. That's where it made the bottom wick. And then it drove up. So you can look for those same positions. The issue here is it's 10 p.m. and the previous 4-hour has closed bear. So until we break that previous 4-hour high, this current 4-hour can still drive down at any time. So we need this 4-hour to close. Wait for confirmations. Don't have an ego. Don't be a cowboy. And, you know, if you don't get it, you at least look at it this way. You'll show up with more funds tomorrow to the next trade, to the next stream. Okay? And if you do get it, good shit. Yeah, I think that's it. We're gonna call it a stream here. I appreciate all 300 of you for showing up today. A lot of new faces. Just keep showing up. 4 to 6 weeks, you guys will be in tune with what we're doing. But keep showing up. Ask questions. And yeah, can we get 200 likes? 8 away. Let's go, chat. 200 likes. Let's annoy the morning session. Agent session. Run it up. 193. 7 away. Yeah, Digital Error, thank you for showing up. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for liking the stream. You want me to create more burners? No, I want you to fucking show up here and be valuable to the stream. Or find value in the stream. But thank you for showing up nonetheless. Chris, anyone that got banned today, all the trolls, thank you for showing up. You guys are awesome for the algo. So I appreciate all you guys being here. Right? The algo's working. You guys are awesome. You showed up, you trolled, and that then YouTube recommended it to more people. What you smoking? I will go smoke some Girl Scout cookies right after this. Okay? Thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all. Let's get it.
Make sure you check out my performance of Elon Musk.
Yo. Hello, it's the Glock. Knock. Peng ting wanna. Hello, it's a Glock. Knock. Who's there? But they wanna do shop. New here. What you gonna do? Stop. Who cares? You ain't gonna shoot that gun. You scared?
Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna. Even got a Yardie that wanna. Might take my Mali girl to the goodie. I might get freaky with it in a party. Stepped out of Habsy, back to the lag. Broski still tryna score. Vardy, you know I got love for my African girls, but I love me a Yardie. And I got one for the States with Nyashi, a real bad B like Cardi B. You ain't gonna beat that shit, you're scared. I bet you won't act like that in the flesh. And I feel like Sterling causing pressure. I went round them sides, you know the rest. I got so much gal obsessed. What do you expect? Look at my neck, look at my wrist. Look how it lit me, another big bag got niggas depressed.
What the fuck have you done? Don't lie, when your brother get bun. Don't cry, take a look at that. Take a look at that bum. Oh my, weapon in the right, cause eye for eye. Never I brought head down to the 9. Talk inside, he can slide anytime. I ain't got time to reply to bitch niggas. Up tryna claim they're big heads, but they sign 6 albums for 6 figures. So she wanna chill with the big boys. Baby come chill with rich niggas. Racks on the crib, let's renovate. But when I want pop, man, it's heavyweight. Beat on my up streams all last year. I'm a manager, made more anyway. Hello, it's a Glock, knock, who's there? But they wanna do shop, new here. What you gonna do? Stop, who cares? You ain't gonna shoot that gun, you scared.
Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna. Even got a Yardie that wanna. I got Europeans singing my tunes.
I got Asians singing my tunes.
Even got a op singing my tunes. In Joe, I had a CM singing my tunes. Fill it up with gal till there's no more room.
With a mill still, you can get plugged like fumes.
Bad B, you should just wanna shake it, bend that back. Let's take that shit to the room.
Heard a man got shot, Pele. Sorry. All these streams, now I'm on tele. So when I back my shank like they're like kill on Shelley.
I was in JA, Tivoli Gardens, crocodile teeth on the rifle sounds.
Bang so hard I was shitting myself. Cause I thought he was dead on the ground. Hello, it's the Glock, knock, who's there? What do you wanna do? Shop, news here. What you gonna do? Stop, who cares? You ain't gonna shoot that gun, you scared.
Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna. Even got a Yardie that wanna.
Hello, it's the Glock, knock. Peng ting wanna. What you gonna do? Stop.
Got an African girl that wanna. Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna. Even got a Yardie that wanna.
Hello, it's a Glock, knock, who's there? But they wanna do shop, new here. What you gonna do? Stop, who cares? You ain't gonna shoot that gun, you scared.
Peng ting wanna. Got an African girl that wanna. Even got a Mali that wanna.